Go the grass and left, Krylon. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Alright, you're safe, alright? God, please have us get the money for our own backyard. Alright? Don't worry, Krylon, you're safe. Alright? Don't worry. You want some grass? Yes, I came over to show you. Alright? You want to go back? Alright, come on, let's go. You're safe, Krylon, don't worry. Oh, you're Krylon. See, you're safe. Alright? Yep. Hey, Krylon, let's go. Come here. Go inside this way. You're awesome. Alright, let's go. Hey, Krylon. Thank you, God. You're so cute and good, Krylon. Krylon. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go back. Let's go.